Welcome to Mando's Zaika. In this video, let's make chicken gravy. In a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil, one medium-sized onion chopped into small pieces. Fry till the onions turn golden brown in color. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Stir it well. Now add chicken pieces. I have 1 kg of chicken pieces. Fry till the chicken changes the color. Now add two teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix it. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon Tandoori masala powder. Mix the ingredients well. 1.5 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of curd, mix all the ingredients nicely. Now let's make tomato puree. To make the tomato puree, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes cut into small pieces. Stir them well. Add a pinch of red chilli powder, turmeric and salt. Stir them till the tomatoes get soft. Now let's grind it to a puree. Let's add the tomato puree to the chicken. Mix it nicely. Now add a cup of water to the chicken. Mix it nicely. Bring it to a boil. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, garnish it with some coriander leaves. If you want to serve it as a curry, then switch off the flame and serve it. But I want a gravy of a thick consistency, so I'll cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes without closing the lid, so that the curry gets thick. Cook till desired consistency. After 10 minutes, the gravy is thick and ready to serve. Quick and easy chicken gravy. Thanks for watching.